Hello, friend who is listening right now. It's likely the past few days haven't been easy, have they? I get it. Your heart is carrying wounds, those invisible burdens that life places on your shoulders. Sometimes difficulties pile up so high that we feel lost, unsure where to even begin untangling the mess. And I believe you've asked yourself many times, how do I get through these challenging, miserable moments in the gentlest way possible? Welcome to the PegaMind channel. This is where we'll explore the wonderful aspects of this vibrant life together, so we can discover ourselves, truly appreciate who we are, and from there, live a deeply meaningful life. In reality, the journey of overcoming challenges doesn't have to be a grand, exhausting battle. It's simply about taking silent, purposeful steps. Today, I want to share a simple roadmap with you, just 3 steps, a path designed to guide you from your most overwhelmed state to finding peace and the power to build your future. These aren't dry, boring principles, but 3 doors that you need to open within your soul. Let's take a deep breath together and start this wonderful journey. Step 1. Pause, listen, and understand. My dear friend, before we try to do anything grand, the first and easiest thing we can do is simply pause for a moment. Just like when there's a storm, the essential thing isn't to immediately run and find a solution, but to find a safe place to shelter. And the safest place is right inside your own soul. To do this, take a deep breath in, exhale gently, and allow your energy to settle. This is the time for us to begin with acceptance. Instead of trying to avoid the rising pain, please don't hesitate to allow yourself to be sad, to be disappointed. Tears are not a sign of weakness. They are the soul's way of releasing. Whisper to yourself, "It's okay. This is happening. I won't run away anymore. I will stay here and bravely face it." See this difficulty not as a punishment, but as a precious lesson that life is offering to those who are worthy. A boat only becomes sturdier after it navigates great waves. You are currently in the open sea, and this is your perfect opportunity to become more steadfast, more resilient. Friend, once the emotional storm has quieted a little, this is when we need to take a gentle but revolutionary action, seeking the root cause. Often, sadness and difficulties are like a thick fog surrounding us. If we just stand in the middle of it, we will remain confused. So the next step is to bring clarity. Prepare a quiet space, a notebook, and a pen. This is not a difficult exercise. It is simply an honest date with yourself. Don't let the difficulty remain a vague, general concept. Write it down. What is the real problem that is hurting you the most? Is it the fear of failure? Is it loneliness? Or is it the burden of financial stress? Write it out, because when you do, you are pulling it out of the mind's shadows and placing it under the light. This helps you stop feeling lost, because now you have a tangible object to look at. After that, bravely ask the question, what is the root cause that allowed these negative things to happen? Pay close attention. This is a question for understanding, not for assigning blame. Look at your past actions, habits, or decisions. Was it a prolonged procrastination? Was it a fear that kept you from daring to change? Or was it a false belief deeply rooted in your mind? You don't need to do anything yet. Just list them out with honesty to yourself. When you find the root cause, you will realize the miracle. The difficulty is no longer an unshakable boulder pressing down on you. You have transformed it into a specific task that you can completely break down and solve.
Step 2. Relight the energy from within. You see, we now clearly understand the issue, and now it's time to change the lens through which you view life. This phase might be slightly more challenging, as it requires delicate control over the ingrained thoughts in your mind. But don't worry, we will do this together, little by little. First, let's learn how to flip the positivity switch. There's an interesting truth I think you should know. No great solution will arrive if you constantly harbor a heavy, negative mindset. The negative thoughts from yesterday are the very dark clouds trying to overshadow today's sunshine. Please don't let them continue to do that. And there's a very simple method you can try. Whenever a negative thought surfaces, for example, "I can't do this," gently pause for a moment and redirect it. Instead of making a quick emotional conclusion, ask the question, "Okay, then how can I do this?" Do you see? With just this one small shift, you are gradually transitioning from being the victim to becoming the solution seeker. Remember that you and no one else are your biggest and most important fan. Use encouraging words, positive affirmations to cheer on your weary soul. Don't deny the sadness, but let your positivity become a powerful source of energy that paves the way for new solutions. After that, we need a consistent yet gentle commitment to rise. Today might be a dark day. Tomorrow may still hold many challenges, but you must hold on to the fierce belief that the day after tomorrow will be brighter, as long as you don't let go. Please don't put pressure on yourself to strive and rise in a grand, overwhelming way. Think of it like a baby learning to walk. Today, you only need to choose the smallest thing to do better than yesterday, even if it's just keeping your mind peaceful for 5 extra minutes or completing one tiny task. Even if life forces you to crawl, you must continue to move forward. That quiet persistence is your greatest strength. Step 3. Brave breakthrough and persistent action. My dear friend, we have come a long way. You have understood the pain and you have relit your belief. Now is the time to transform all that awareness and energy into concrete action. I must admit, this phase 3 is the biggest challenge, as it requires you to step outside of what is familiar. Let's leap out of the shell together. If you want a brilliant garden, you cannot keep sowing the same old seeds. If you crave a new outcome, you must dare to do new things. Change, at times, brings a terrifying and chilling sensation. But remember this, fear is just a feeling, while action is the only door that opens up hope. Therefore, don't wait for a huge miracle. Start today with small experimental actions. Change a tiny habit. Approach the problem from an angle you've never tried. Just by daring to do things differently, even just a little bit, you have opened a completely new path for your future. And finally, etch this truth into your heart. Persist to the very end. All your efforts will lead to nowhere if you can only sustain them for a moment. So tell yourself, I am more resilient than that, and I can keep going. Persistence is the magical power of the will. It makes even the stiffest obstacles soften and disappear. When things get toughest, when you want to give up the most, please do not run away. Remember this saying: if passion is the path mapped out in your heart, then persistence is the vehicle that will take you to the finish line. Keep a firm grip on the wheel, accept the bumpy roads, take a short rest if you need to, but never give up halfway. Trust this: difficulties are not permanent. Only your steadfastness and resilience create permanent results. So, we have journeyed through this entire path together, from understanding the pain to relighting the energy in our mindset, and finally to a brave breakthrough with small but persistent actions. My dear friend, difficulties are an unavoidable part of this life, but the way we face them is what shapes who we become. A hardship is not a period at the end of a sentence, but a comma that opens a more brilliant new chapter. You have done so well. Reward yourself with a sincere hug. I hope that these 3 steps will be the compass that helps you find peace and strength every time life unexpectedly throws waves your way. Make a promise to yourself that no matter what happens, you will always choose optimism and persistence to keep moving forward. I believe you can do it, and PegaMind is always here, ready to listen to you. If you found this sharing meaningful, don't forget to give me a little encouragement with a like button, and please share it with those who need to hear this. Thank you sincerely for staying with me until this moment. See you in the next exciting journeys.